We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced names as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So this is the name of an English dynasty or dynasty. Now in English this is said as Tudor, Tudor. Now if you're talking about the Swiss watchmaker, since it is based in French-speaking Switzerland, it would be to be said in French rather. And in French this is said as Tudor, Tudor. So if you're talking about the French watch manufacturer, you'd have to say Tudor or Tudor, Tudor. But if you're talking about the British dynasty, it is to be said as Tudor, Tudor. And now you know it all. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thank you kindly for your support. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names and brand names in particular, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.